Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to talking about the scroll bar in Python. These widgets provide a slide scroller that is used to implement vertical scroll widget such as listbox, text, and canvas. Note that you can also create horizontal scroll bar on entry widget. Here I am pressing the enter. So on your left side, a thing is appear. So that's mean that this is the scroll bar. You can see here I'm just moving the scroll bar. Let's just see how this scroll bar working in the coding example. From Tkinter, and I just write import static. Simply import everything from Tkinter. So root which is equal to Tk, and now here I just write scroll bar is a variable here. Then here I just define this scroll bar. So simply is a keyword, and then print this scroll bar into the root screen. Now here I just write a scroll bar dot pack method, and I just define the side of the scroll bar. So simply I just write side and give it the side which is right. So this is the right side, and I just said that fill which is equal to x. So I told you that x is capital. Now I just write scroll bar dot pack, and here I just write side which is equal to right, and then it is fill which is equal to y. That's mean that is filled y and x both. Now I just create one list. So here I just write list box. So I just told you that a scroll bar working with list. So this is simply the list or text bar or anything or canvas widget. Now I just write root which is printed on the screen, this list, and here I just write that y scroll command which is equal to scroll bar. So y scroll command means this is on y axis like this one. Okay, and here I just simply print this scroll bar. So I just write dot set. Now I just define for loop, so printing the many value that shows us that this is the scroll bar for line in range of, I just write 50. Simple, that will print 0 to 49 values, and I just write list dot insert here which is end, and here I just write f, so line, and then str line. Simply I just print these line with the help of this list. Now I write list dot pack, and then side which is equal to left. So this list is available on left side of this screen. Now fill which is equal to both side, and scroll bar dot, here I just configure this scroll bar dot config, and then use the command of list dot y view. So that will show us the list view in horizontally like this one. Now we just run this code, scroll bar, and here we have an error because we do not create or pass this screen right here with the help of main loop. So run, and now you can see here it's better to understand now. This is our scroll bar, 0 to 49 values with the help of this for loop. As you can see here, first of all I just import the library, then root which is equal to tk. Then I just create a variable for a scroll bar which is equal to the keyword of a scroll bar, and this entire screen is printed here. Now I just create this variable and then set the pack method on x-axis and y-axis. You can see here this is filled like this one. You can see here that will create our this scroll bar. Now I just create one list box here, as you can see here, and then I just said that y scroll command. If I said that x scroll command, so that result will be something changed, but y scroll command is like that is horizontally like this one. Then I just write that this command is set on this scroll bar. For loop for printing these all values, and I just insert that the end for loop at the f line, which is the string of this line. This means that the line is our for loop, so that will print only 0 to 49 lines. So line is our string here, means you can see here this line is our string here. As you can see, I just write here Python, so that will print us the Python here. Now you can see that will print us the Python, which is a string of that line for loop. Then I just add that list.pack method on left. You can see here our list is on left, and fill the both the side, you can see here. Then I just add that scroll.configure on this list and view y. That's mean that view y is a function here, so that will show us result like this one. At the last I just write root.main loop. Hope so you understand now. If you have any problem regarding to this scroll bar lecture, please let me know, and thanks for watching this lecture.